Good evening. In the year 2019, Maharashtra Assembly elections took place. In that particular election, no party could get the clear cut majority. After so much of drama in Maharashtra, finally Shiva Sena, NCP, and Congress party they have come together and they formed the government in Maharashtra. And Mr. Uddhav Thackeray became the chief minister of Maharashtra. And he was appointed by the governor as a chief minister on November 28th, 2019. At that particular time, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray was neither a member of assembly nor a member of legislative council. Please remember, Maharashtra is one of the states in the country where you have bicameral legislature. And Mr. Uddhav Thackeray was neither a member of assembly nor a member of the legislative council. Even then, he has been appointed as the chief minister because the constitution under Article 164, Clause 4, the constitution under Article 164, Clause 4 permits a minister who for any period of 6 consecutive months, a minister who for any period of 6 consecutive months is not a member of the legislature of a state shall at the expiration of that period cease to be a minister. Here, minister in the sense it may be a cabinet minister or it may be the chief minister, anybody. Meaning the constitution permitted a person to be a minister for not more than 6 months without being a member of the legislature. This is what the constitution says. And if you look at these particular dates, starting from November 28th, if you take 6 months, by May 28th, 2020, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray must become a member of assembly or a member of the legislative council in Maharashtra. But otherwise, before this lockdown, legislative council elections were scheduled, but the election commission called off those elections because of this COVID-19, and there is no possibility of the election now. That is the reason why the Maharashtra cabinet decided, and they sent a request to the governor requesting that let Mr. Uddhav Thackeray be nominated to the legislative council. But the governor is taking time. Governor wants to discuss with the Attorney General of India whether the provisions permit to nominate Mr. Uddhav Thackeray to the legislative council. As far as his election is concerned, there is no issue. He can get elected to the upper house in the state legislature. But when it comes to the nomination, is it allowed under the constitution? That was a question by the governor, and governor is discussing with the so-called attorney general. Attorney general is the first law officer of the country, and right now you have Mr. Venugopal as the attorney general of India. Point number one. Since there is a delay from the side of governor, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, it seems he spoke directly to the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, and they had a discussion. So we don't know what is the outcome, but if everything goes well, before May 28th, he has to become a member. Either he should get elected if the election is conducted. There is no possibility of conducting the election now, or he should get nominated to the upper house in the Maharashtra state legislature. Alright, so but we need to wait and watch. But what will happen? What happens if he doesn't become a member of the legislative council or assembly? As per the Article 164, Clause 4 of the Constitution, once this 6 months period is over, once May 20th is done, then he ceases to be the chief minister. Clear? Very, very important point. Now, some people will ask me, imagine May 20th is over, he could not become a member of assembly, right? That cannot be done now. And he could not become the member of legislative council also. Right? Then what will happen? 6 months are over and he has to step down as the chief minister. Somebody will ask me whether the same person can be appointed as the chief minister again for another 6 months. I repeat, whether the person who stepped down because he failed to become a member within the prescribed time period of 6 months, whether that person can be reappointed as the minister or chief minister once again and allowed to continue for 6 more months. Answer is no. Answer is very, very clearly no, because in the year 2001, in the apex court, in a case called S.R. Chowdhury versus State of Punjab. S.R. Chowdhury versus State of Punjab, the court made it very, very clear that if a person is appointed as a minister, minister means chief minister, if a person is appointed as a minister and if he cannot become a member within the prescribed time period of 6 months, that person cannot be reappointed as a minister again till the completion of the term of the assembly. Meaning, as per the orders that are given by the Supreme Court in S.R. Chowdhury versus State of Punjab case, a person can be appointed as a chief minister without being a member only for one time. Within that 6 months, he has to become a member, otherwise he ceases to be a member. He ceases to be the minister or chief minister. And that person cannot be appointed as a minister or chief minister once again as per the directions that are given by Supreme Court in the year 2001 in S.R. Chowdhury versus State of Punjab. So please remember this. Let's watch what is going to happen if the governor accepts and if the governor nominates Mr. Uddhav Thackeray to the Maharashtra State Legislative Council, then he will continue as a chief minister. Otherwise, once May 28th is done, this person has to step down as the chief minister, and what is going to happen, we need to wait and watch. Please remember all the points very, very clearly. Fine. And that's about this particular, this session. And with more current affairs, I'll meet you in the next class. Thank you so much. Take very good care.